Bumentirang ba ka jala Meghalaya Conrad PA Sangma Long ba ka jingantho umentri khana ka sarkar India badaipe ya ka minority affairs halor ka jingshina ya ka PA Sangma Stadium hatura ka pen ya ka Shillong Mail jingmut bat ka ba omi hap satya habakantho kala ya ka jingkran Barla habakran ka jelang pai ba ban pedang buram yo ba hamlet sandoling ha ka nyotri kula lengkod arja arpulai u Conrad loong ba ka tei ka jingkano ka dei ka pasniu bok bat pen ba kimkwa ya ka roi ka par banwan sa ka jala Meghalaya.
Many political parties are saying so many things about us. Even yesterday I was told that some leaders had gone to Kyrwoh Hills. Some political parties had gone and looking at some development work. They were mentioning about the fact that how come the Chief Minister has inaugurated this stadium? This has been funded by Government of India. Friends, we don't deny. India is a federal nation. The share of taxes, the share of development is distributed in an equal manner based on criteria to different states. That's how India works. That's how Government of India works. Today we have many JJM schemes coming up. Inaugurations are done by the Chief Minister, done by the PA Chief Minister. Sometimes some central ministers come. But making this into an issue during election time is truly unfortunate. It just speaks about the narrow-mindedness of some individuals. Sad to see that these individuals don't want to see development coming to different regions of our state. That even when good development comes, they try to criticize those developments. Truly unfortunate. I have nothing to say to these people. I have nothing to comment about the comments that they have made, except to say that it's unfortunate that these kind of narrow-mindedness and very, very low-level comments are being made by such leaders. I hope that in the future, these kind of comments will not come.